Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Fishing Planet account and access to a map where rods drop. Once done, open the shop and check your credits. You may need 501,000 credits to purchase materials or a starter rod. Next, make sure your angler level unlocks the basic tackle slot. This allows equipping a casting rod. Finally, collect any login rewards and free crates. They sometimes contain rod parts or vouchers, so don't skip those quick checks. Now you move into the main acquisition. Go to Shop Right Arrow Rods and search for casting rods by name or class. If the rod isn't directly purchasable, open crates and blueprints. Once you have the blueprint, combine required parts. To gather parts faster, complete beginner missions and daily tasks. These reward components and credits. If you're stuck, check player market listings or trade with friends. Exchanging parts can be faster than grinding for every component yourself. Finally, equip the casting rod in your loadout and attach a compatible reel plus chosen bait. Save the setup before leaving the loadout screen. Then test the rod at a nearby water to confirm casting distance and behavior. Adjust line, lure weight, and sensitivity if performance is off. If the rod won't assemble or appears incomplete, make sure you collected every blueprint part and finish the related missions. If problems persist, relog and verify the shop for missing purchases. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.